Trump administration is considering abandoning the US side of the EU-US data protection framework. And if you're using an American email provider, it might be a good time to switch. In this video, I'll share 5 alternatives with European origins. And as a bonus, I'll also share one Canadian alternative, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. First up on our list is MailerLite, originating in Lithuania. MailerLite is a marketing platform that allows you to send emails, build websites, collect leads, and sell products. MailerLite has all the essential marketing features, such as pop-up, landing page, and newsletter builders, templates, advanced automation tools, dynamic content and personalization, email analytics, A/B testing, and even AI for their higher plans. The platform has an easy-to-use interface, affordable pricing with a free tier, and lots of third-party integrations. On the flip side, some users have noted that the domain authentication process is a bit complicated and isn't well documented. Overall, MailerLite can be a simpler and more affordable alternative to MailChimp for small and medium-sized businesses. Next up, we have Brevo, formerly Sendinblue. Brevo is a French email marketing and CRM suite that combines marketing, sales, customer data, and conversations platforms. Their marketing platform has features such as email builder, advanced segmentation, 24/7 human support, automation, and more. Brevo stands out with its strong GDPR compliance and advanced automation with a wide range of triggers, actions, and rules. Additionally, it has a straightforward interface and a bunch of useful integrations. Now, when it comes to downsides, Brevo's advanced analytics are limited to higher plans, and you have to pay extra to have Brevo's branding removed from your emails if you're on a starter plan. So Brevo is great for medium to large businesses that are looking for advanced automation features and want to find an alternative for Klaviyo and HubSpot. Moving on to Rapidmail, a German email marketing tool that's not only made in Europe, but also hosted in Europe. Rapidmail offers newsletter and transactional email services. Compared to MailerLite and Brevo, Rapidmail is very simple. It combines newsletter and transactional email services into one product, and comes with features such as an email editor with customization options, reliable delivery with spam scoring and automatic reputation monitoring, contact management with a few shop and CRM integrations, and email analytics with a user-friendly dashboard. When it comes to benefits, Rapidmail users note responsive support, a good selection of templates, a simple newsletter builder, and EU-hosted servers. As for drawbacks, Rapidmail's pricing is a bit confusing, as their pricing model is different on English and German websites, but it does have a pay-as-you-go option if that's what you're looking for. Overall, Rapidmail is a great alternative to Beehive for individuals or small businesses looking to send newsletters. The next tool in this overview is Email Labs. It's a Polish email delivery service offering both email marketing and transactional email services. Now, unlike the other tools I've mentioned so far, Email Labs is geared towards developers, even though it allows sending marketing emails. So it has API and SMTP, email webhooks, email address validation, dedicated IP, and HTML email templates. Email Labs also promises quick delivery for all your transactional emails. Email Labs is usually praised for its responsive customer support, detailed documentation, high deliverability rates, and detailed analytics. On the other hand, Email Labs doesn't have SDKs, which could make the integration a bit harder. There's also a learning curve for using the features of the platform. That said, Email Labs is a great alternative to Postmark and Amazon SES, and is mostly suitable for medium to large businesses with dev teams that can handle integration and setup. Okay, so the last tool that's made in Europe on this list is Mailtrap. Originating in Ukraine, Mailtrap is an email delivery platform designed to drive your revenue. It combines email marketing and email API and SMTP to send campaigns, mass, and user-triggered emails. Mailtrap's email marketing features include drag and drop and HTML email builders with AI content assistance, email templates, campaign scheduling, industry best analytics, and intuitive contact management with segmentation. For developers, Mailtrap also has an SMTP server, major SDKs, and a well-documented RESTful API. Mailtrap's benefits includes high deliverability for all types of emails, a simple volume-based pricing structure that combines email API and SMTP and email marketing within one plan, human 24/7 support, and GDPR compliance. As for cons, Mailtrap doesn't have lots of third-party integrations at the moment, but it integrates with Zapier and can be connected with thousands of apps. Overall, Mailtrap is a reliable alternative to SendGrid, Postmark, and MailChimp, and is suitable for businesses of all sizes looking for a growth-focused email service. Finally, let's move on to the Canadian alternative that I promised at the beginning of this video. But before we do that, take a quick break, click that subscribe button, and turn on notifications. We have multiple platform overviews on our channel, so don't miss them out. Cyberimpact is a Canadian email marketing platform that combines tools for building customer loyalty and increasing sales. Cyberimpact's features include an email editor, subscription forms, landing pages, automation, responsive templates, an image editor, email analytics, and more. When it comes to benefits, Cyberimpact is compliant with Canadian anti-spam law and Law 25. Its interface is available in English and French, and it's easy to set up and use. On the flip side, Cyberimpact provides the option to remove their logo only to enterprise plan users. The pricing plans are a bit expensive, especially for those who have large contact lists. Cyberimpact's features and pricing model are very comparable to MailChimp's, so you can definitely consider it an alternative, especially if you're a medium or large business. And that's all for today, folks. After migrating to an email provider made in Europe, maybe you'd also like to switch from Gmail. We have a dedicated overview of the best Gmail alternatives, so check that one out. I'll see you there.